Everyone, my name is Miss Carmen and I'm one of the librarians at San Mateo County Libraries. I'm here today with a special co-host. Her name is
Olivia.
And Olivia is my daughter. Olivia, what grade are you going to be in?
2nd grade.
Woo! You're so strong! Today we're going to be doing an experiment that's called Can You Mix This? And this experiment was put together by the Bay Area Discovery Museum. So, what are we going to mix, Olivia? We're going to mix solids,
liquids, and gases.
Right. Olivia, can you give me some examples of liquids that we brought today?
We brought water.
Let me turn on my other camera so you guys can see. Water. Take this one, put it over there. What's this yellow stuff?
Oil.
Mm-hmm. How about this one?
Vinegar.
And what kind of solids did we bring?
Baking soda.
Mm-hmm. You can show them. Baking soda.
Flour.
The baking kind, right?
Mm-hmm.
And
Salt.
there we go. Now,
My favorite thing.
your favorite thing in the world. Olivia loves salt. Now, what else are we going to need?
A glass cup.
Or you could do it in a bowl too, but you also need this important utensil.
A spoon.
Mm-hmm. Now, what are we going to mix first?
Liquid. And solid.
Okay, you want to mix water?
Mm-hmm.
What solid do you want to mix with the water?
First, can we do some flour?
There we go. Wow, you're really strong. You can open that jar.
It's not that much.
You can dump the whole thing in there. Dump the whole thing.
Yeah.
How about you try stirring it now? Let's see what happens. Now, stirring is better. We tried shaking it one time, but it didn't really mix up that well. Stir. Yeah, let's see. Let's take a look. Now,
It's like milk.
so Olivia, what are we trying to figure out in our experiment of can you mix it? We're trying to figure out
If it's mixed.
And if it doesn't mix, that means it stays separate, right?
And it was a fail.
So, are we a fail? Did the flour and the water mix, or is it still separate? Let's put it up close to the camera too. Well, you could, but then your finger would be full of flour. Well, I mean, I don't see any chunks of flour, do you? Do you
No, it's
feel
all
flour?
liquid.
It's all liquid. So, was that a success or a fail?
Success.
Okay, so flour and water mix. What else are we going to mix right now?
Baking soda and oil.
Oh man. Okay,
It's going to be different.
that's going to be interesting. So why don't you start putting some baking soda in there?
What?
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah. Itchy. Interesting.
All right, stir it together.
No.
Ooh, look, it's already making bubbles. So stir it together. See what happens. Hold it.
I hope it doesn't explode on my beautiful dress.
I don't think it's going to explode. All right. I think that's good. So, Olivia, did it mix or is the baking soda still floating around in there?
Spoon just has baking soda because we don't have it.
The spoon has some baking soda on there. Let's see if I can show you guys. There we go. But how about the rest of the glass?
How about I could shake and find out?
No, look, I don't see anything on the bottom of the glass, so
I'm not gonna touch that.
You're not gonna put your finger in that?
No way.
I'm gonna say that that was a success. It mixed oil and baking soda.
Yeah. Wait, what if we could try some with?
Oh, we gotta save that for last. That's the final thing.
Oh, nice.
We haven't tried the salt. What salt should we mix that with? Which liquid? Remember, we have water, oil, and vinegar. What should we mix the salt with?
Vinegar. Okay. The salt
Right here.
will just make salt water.
Let's wipe the spoon down. Get it all clean.
Woo! Salt.
Pour some vinegar in
yummy.
there. There's some vinegar. Okay, Olivia, put the salt in there.
I got some salt. Some salt spread on me, and then
And we ate it.
it's yums.
It's yums.
I like salt. Does anybody not like salt? When I was in Italy one time, I had salt and chicken. Had some there's chicken and salt, and I put a lot of salt on my chicken and some lime. Actually, no, I only put lime and salt, and it was so good. I ate all of it.
I like salt, lime, and chicken. That sounds.
And I've been to Italy before. Oh,
Okay. Oh, Olivia loves the smell of apple cider vinegar. Well, look, the spoon is clear.
does it smell?
Do you see anything on the bottom there? I don't see anything on the bottom.
Shake it.
I stirred it, but there's nothing in there. I mean, there's no salt in there. So let's put the cap on there. And what do you think? Was it a fail or was it a success? Salt and vinegar.
It's like baking soda.
I want to do one of 3 things.
Ooh!
Can you guess what they are?
Wait, what if we could make all of these and all of those? And then.
So what do you mean by all of these? We need baking soda. Wait, first I'm going to put in water.
Yes! We gotta do this.
Actually, let's leave the baking soda last.
Wait, what?
Let's do all the liquids first.
Ooh.
No, leave it open. Because we're going to put in. Because we haven't done water and oil yet. So do you think water and oil are going to mix or no?
I don't know. There's a lot of bubbles. What?
Ooh. So we just mixed 2 liquids, but did they turn into the same liquid or are they? Yeah, oil doesn't smell like that. So Olivia, did they mix?
Well, we didn't mix it with
Okay,
spoon.
try mixing it with the spoon. Because right now there's 2 layers. Did they mix or are they still separated?
They seem like it's still separated, but let's see. Still separated.
We see a bunch of bubbles from Olivia mixing it,
Yeah! Get oil on you!
but the oil's still on the top and the water's still on the bottom. What was,
Now
the,
let's get this.
what was the other liquid we were going to do?
Oh.
What do you think the vinegar is going to do? Ooh.
Let's get some white vinegar. Get some white vinegar.
Oh, the white vinegar smells bad too. Okay, this is going to be really quick. I'm going to mix it. What do you already observe, Olivia, about the water and the vinegar?
They mixed.
Yeah, but the oil.
Didn't mix. So now, let's try all the salads.
That's true. Okay, last solid that we're going to put in. What is the solid?
Baking soda. Wait, Mom, can you put all the solids?
Why don't we do the baking soda?
Oh, solids.
Okay, well, let's do the baking soda first, though.
Let's make it some
Interesting. Can you guys see that it gets stuck on the bottom, on the top first, and then it kind of slowly goes down?
Ooh.
And then look at what's happening on the bottom. Do you see something happening? Do you see a reaction? I see a reaction.
I do. Some bubbles are going up and some gas is going down.
Yep. So what are those bubbles? You made bubbles! What is that?
Bubbles!
But what's inside the bubbles? Gas, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so you just made gas using a liquid and a solid. Which liquid and which solid made the gas?
Baking soda.
The baking soda.
And vinegar, oil, and water.
Should we try vinegar and baking soda and see if the same thing happens?
Yeah! Put a lot of baking soda this time and a lot of vinegar.
Okay, well, why don't you put the whole thing in there? The whole baking
What?
soda. Yeah. Oh, man. Do you want to do the corn?
Why are you going to do it?
You want to do the white vinegar? Okay. We have two vinegars. We have apple cider vinegar and white vinegar. So Olivia does not like the smell of apple cider vinegar, but let's see if she likes the smell of white vinegar. Okay. Should I pour or you want me? What?
Oh, come on, I said a lot.
We don't want it to go all over my keyboard.
Ooh.
Mix it up.
Oh, there's a lot of baking soda. I think we need more liquid.
Some water.
Yeah.
Oh, it didn't react to the water.
Let's
So
try more vinegar.
baking soda does not react to the water to
Let's
make
see if
gas.
it reacts to the vinegar.
But if we add more vinegar, what do you think is going to happen?
It might react.
What is your guess? Yes or no?
Maybe.
Okay. Non-committal. I like it.
No!
Oh no!
It
Let's put some paper there. Oh no! There. Reaction.
More.
No, I think we used up all the baking soda. It's not gonna shake. Okay, shake it, but keep the bottle there. Okay. So Olivia, tell me, what did you learn today? Tell me some things that you learned today.
That it reacts to that the baking soda react to the vinegar, and with water it didn't. But when it had more vinegar in there, it reacted a lot.
And did all the solids mix together or no?
We didn't try all the solids. We only tried baking soda.
No, the liquids. Did all the liquids mix together?
Oh no.
No. Which ones did not mix? Do you remember?
Only it was oil.
Oil definitely did not mix.
Nope.
Yeah. But we tried the flour and the salt, and those mixed, right? Here, get the bottle with the water and the flour, because something very interesting has happened. Let's turn on the video again. Do you see how there's a white line on the bottom?
No.
You can't really tell super clear from this video, but at the very bottom, there's a white line. What is the whiteness?
It is so.
It's the flour, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But it's all the way into teeny tiny shreds, like my favorite food. So.
Let's try to spoon it. Ooh, see, I grabbed a spoon and I was able to spoon up
All of that.
the flour. So
It did not mix.
So it's kind of a sort of, right? Some of it mixed because the water's still really cloudy, but not all of it mixed.
So that was kind of a fail, success, and fail. Success at first, fail at last.
Well, I don't think any of this is a fail, right? Because we're learning as we go, right?
Mm-hmm.
We learned that some solids and some liquids mix together.
But at first, it looks like it mixed, but at the last, it looks like it mixed, but actually didn't.
Yeah, when it settles over time, it kind of drifts down to the bottom, huh?
Now let's check on this.
Let's take a look let's turn the camera on for that one. Here, show them. That one was the apple cider vinegar, right? And the salt. And that stayed together. And then this one was the
Oil and
baking soda.
Yep, there's a white line.
Pretty cool.
Oh, Mom, there's a white line.
Is there a white line?
Oh.
I know, it's getting kind of messy here, huh? Oh, yep, there it is. So it settled onto the bottom. So sometimes...
Ooh. Good.
Ew, it's gooey.
Yeah.
So
good.
sometimes when you mix liquids with solids, it mixes, but it also starts to separate again. Probably because we put too much in there. You think so?
No, it's right.
It was the right amount.
It feels cool. If you guys
Feels really cool.
It feels kind of cool.
See how it settled in there? That was pretty fun. So
that
Olivia,
was a success fail again.
would you recommend kids at home try this experiment?
Yes.
And what kind of liquids do you think they should start gathering around at home?
Some juices.
Oh, yeah, we didn't try juices. I think juices would be fun.
Some.
Oh, yeah, we have some juices here, but that's for next week's experiment. Juices would be fun. What other liquids could they try? Ketchup?
No, that's not a liquid.
Ketchup's kind of liquid. It moves, right? It just moves slowly.
Yeah.
Maybe they could try soda.
Melted ice. That's what it is.
Ooh, a melted popsicle.
Ooh.
That would be fun.
Yeah, melted popsicle.
Yeah. So, kids at home, Olivia and I recommend that you go with a parent's help, with grown-ups' help, gather around different liquids and different solids, and then ask yourself, can you mix it? And then when you're done, be sure to tag us on Instagram or Facebook at SMCL Creates or
Mom,
SMCL Libraries.
Can you do the rest one now?
Which one? You want to finish this one?
Mm-hmm.
But we don't have any more baking soda.
Oh, we already did it with it. Remember when we did it first?
Yeah,
Now
but we used all the baking soda.
Yeah.
Here, why don't you use the rest of the salt? Just keep mixing things. See what happens.
Mix it.
If you want to learn more about liquids, solids, and gases, I recommend this great book that you can find on overdrive.com. What? Oh, let's turn the camera on. What did you put in there?
Salt.
Ooh. So the salt reacted really cool. This book on overdrive.com, which is called JoJo the Wizard Who's of Solids, Liquids, and Gases by Eric Brown, will teach kids more about what exactly makes up a solid, a liquid, and a gas.
What is it?
Ooh. Olivia loves making gas in this cup. It's like a tornado. Would you drink that? I do not recommend drinking that.
No, don't drink it.
No, it probably tastes disgusting.
And it might
Might give you a tummy ache, yeah. For sure. Yeah,
and you might have to throw up.
Don't drink anything that you mix together. So lastly,
only juices with other juices.
Sure, juices with other juices. That would be an interesting concoction. You guys could mix different liquids of juices.
That smells really good.
So this is us saying goodbye. Thank you for joining us for Can You Mix It? Olivia, did you have fun? Do you rate this experiment? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs way up.
Yeah.
Be sure to go to our summerlearners.org website, do the Summer Learning Challenge, and enter yourself and all of your family members 18 years and younger to win a $1,000 college scholarship. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again.
Bye.